Hey, let's talk about the draft decision that was leaked from the Supreme Court about Roe versus Wade. First of all, what's Roe versus Wade? Roe versus Wade was a Supreme Court's decision made in 1973, where the court ruled that a pregnant person has a right to choose to have an abortion without excessive government restriction. Abortion has been a major topic of debate in the United States. Moral and religious views have fueled arguments on whether or not abortions should be legal and to what extent, and how involved a government should be. Because of this, abortion has become a major topic for political candidates to run on. A draft decision of the Supreme Court to overturn Roe versus Wade was leaked to the press on May 2nd. The reason this is surprising is because we've never experienced a leaked decision before. We're not sure who did it or what their motives were to leak the decision, but that in itself brings up a lot of questions, especially with all of the laws being made at a state level. Now, what's a draft decision and what does it say? A draft decision is normally made up after an argument has been made to the Supreme Court. The court holds preliminary votes on the issue, and a member of the majority vote will write up a draft of the court's opinion. This is just a rough draft, and after continued debate and counseling other justices, the draft can be changed. In this case, the argument came into play when a Mississippi law moved to ban abortions after 15 weeks, and the Supreme Court needed to decide to uphold it or not. Now, Roe versus Wade does have some parameters when taking into account a pregnant person's health and the life of the fetus. A state can get involved once the fetus is viable outside of the womb, which is at about 24 weeks. Make sure to keep out an eye for future videos where we'll jump into abortion laws and abortion facts a bit deeper. So, the draft states that the 1973 abortion rights ruling was an ill-conceived and deeply flawed decision that invented a right mentioned nowhere in the Constitution. And let's be clear, when they say a right, they're talking about the right for a person to choose what to do with their body. The opinion completely rejects Roe versus Wade. If Roe versus Wade is overturned, then the power would be put back at a state level where each state would have the freedom to restrict or ban abortions. This leak has fast-forwarded states to either protect abortion rights or fully ban them. As of now, there are 26 states that are very likely to ban abortions. Lastly, let's discuss who this will affect. 1 in 4 pregnant people will or have had an abortion. Overturning Roe would disproportionately affect people of color, people of the LGBTQIA community, and those of low income. There are many reasons a person may need an abortion, such as health reasons, financial reasons, life circumstances, or they just don't want a baby. Abortion rights for many is a life-saving form of health care, and we all deserve the right to choose. So when could this happen? Well, this is just a draft and not a final decision, so this could still change. But the short answer, not immediately. As of now, abortions are still legal. It will take at least a month or more for the courts to come to a final decision. I hope this helped to clear up any questions you may have. Make sure to follow me for more videos where we'll dive into abortion and other sexuality news and facts.